So for those of you who do not know, and if you have not watched my last video for my haul that I did from Amazon, I'm going to leave that right here so that you can go back and watch that video so you can see some of the items that I purchased. But I have been doing self-care here at home since we were in quarantine. I stopped going to the nail salon. I don't go get my eyebrows waxed. I do everything at home myself. With that being said, I am learning to do my own nails, and that's why you have one hand that is short and one hand that is long, because I only do an overlay on my nails. I have not gotten good with the extensions or adding nails and things like that. So I'm just doing what I know and what works best for me. So I wanted to come on here and show you a product that I purchased, but it's going to be my first time trying it. I never tried it out before. And if you know anything about this product, then make sure you leave your comments down below and let me know. So I purchased from Young Nails the professional gel kit. I do not do acrylic. I'm not good with acrylic. I don't know how to do acrylic. I've tried dip powder. I like the dip powder. However, with dip powder, it lifts on my nails. Not to say that I probably couldn't make it work, but I found that hard gel works best for me. So I purchased this off of their direct website. And this is not a sponsored video at all. I purchased this with my own coins. They did not send me anything. So you get a little kit. This is the full kit. I wanted to try their gel, as I'm already working with gel and I'm comfortable with hard gel. So I want to try their hard gel. So in the kit, I'm just going to start taking stuff out. You get, says the Young Nails Professional Gel Additional Items. And you can see there's a little brush here so you can kind of brush off your nails, from the dust. They have brush on nail glue in that kit. Ultimate Finish Gel. And the Ultimate Finish Gel says High Gloss Concealer. So, that's interesting. They have these cotton pads, which most of the time I use once I'm done with my nails and I've gotten to this state, then I take a little bit of like regular alcohol and wipe my nails off, and then I put some oil on afterwards. But I bought something else for that. And then protein bond. This is one of the things that I'm really excited to use, because I bought another protein bond, and I think that the protein bond is one of the things that's really helping my nails. One of the things that's helping my nails not to lift. I've been watching other YouTubers that do their own nails at home. And one of the things that they swear by is protein bond. So I purchased some online at Amazon a while back, and I started using that. And I noticed that with some of the other things that I've implemented in my nail routine, I have not had any lifting so far. The next thing is called Swipe. This will be taking the place of the alcohol. It says here specifically formulated to cleanse the nail plate and work as a pre-prep by both dehydrating and cleansing. Removes dust, contaminants, and oils from nails before applying. So this is exciting. So I bought this one, and then I bought a refill for the Swipe, because again, I've heard so many good things about this particular product that I wanted to move into using this versus just plain alcohol. The next product that comes in the kit is going to be a set of nail files. So you have the 100 grit, the 240 grit, and then it's like a buffer on the other side. The 180 grit, another 180 grit, and 150 grit. Now, me personally, I am learning to use the drill. So what I do is I will go back and forth between the drill and the nail file. So I'll drill and then file, drill and then file, until I get my nails the shape that I want them to be. And as you can see, so again, please, I am learning. So as you can see, this is not lifting, of course, no lifting here. But, I take my time and I go around the cuticle area here. And then my nail has a natural curl to it. So I'm filing, and then I take my actual file and then I'm filing on the sides. So again, this is all a learning curve for me. So they also have rose oil that comes in here, which is what you will put on your nails once you are done with the nails to hydrate your cuticle area. Now, I do want to definitely be using this because the oil that I do have, I'm running low on. So, and then I do like that it has a droplet, so you can replace this with the droplet. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. Because once I'm done with this video, I'm going to get rid of a lot of this stuff and put it into my other area, my nail area. So, little droplet. Okay. I was about to throw away my protein bar. No, ma'am. It comes with some forms. I have plenty of forms, but I do want to use theirs just to see, you know, but again, I'm learning with the forms. I'm not good with them. I did use the forms to create my thumbnail because my thumbnail broke, and when my thumbnail broke, it broke on the nail bed, if that makes sense. So I use the forms to put around and create the length that I have right now. It comes with these nail tips. Now these are the 50-pack natural nail tips and the 50-pack clear nail tips. I bought some nail tips off of Amazon, and child, and I know it's just what I bought, but girl, they were so plastic, like thick plastic too. Like it took me forever to drill, and even when I drilled it down, it was just like These are more realistic, and this is on the thinner side. So this side right here, I don't know if you can. I hope you can see this, but this part right here was so thick that it took me a good minute just to file it down. So I'm hoping that, you know, I'll try and use this for the next time when I take these down and stick it here and see how I like it. So maybe that'll help me, you know, and I can make my nails the same length when I take these out. I don't know. Who knows? I'm right now, I'm just trying to do what makes me comfortable. And I'm left-handed too. So a lot of times I'm writing with this hand. You know, I type with both hands at work, of course, but a lot of times I'm writing with this hand. Whatever I'm doing, this hand, this is my, so it's weird. Even though I'm left-handed, my right hand is my dominant hand, but I do a lot of work with my left hand. I hope that makes sense. So it also comes with this little brush. Now, I can tell you right now, I'm looking at this brush and I don't know. Because the brush that I have, I purchased them off of Amazon, and they're like a thin brush, and they pick up the gel real nicely. And so I'm not sure if this is, because this is so flimsy, you know, I'm not sure if this is going to work. But again, I'm not the professional. It's called the Master Gel Brush. So I'm going to give it a try and see if it works and see if I like it. And if I don't, I'll keep using the brushes that I'm using. So now we come to all of the gels. So this is supposed to be the gel base. I'm not going to open all this stuff, but it comes with a gel base. I believe on the gel base, you're supposed to put this down first. After you've done your, you know, your regular, whatever you're going to do to your nails, you know, cleaned up everything, and you put your protein bond and whatever else you're going to put down. Then you put down the gel base and let this dry for like 30 seconds. Then they have what we call gel build. It's just a flex gel a clear sculpting gel, and a pink concealer gel, and then a white gel. You get 4 gels and 1 base gel. So I'm excited to use this kit. If you all are interested in seeing how I do my nails, then please make sure you leave a comment down below. I'm truly excited to actually use the kit and learn more about it. I've been watching plenty of YouTube videos. And to be honest with you, no matter how many times I watch a video, it's all about trial and error for, you. That's the main thing that I'm learning. I'm learning from them the basics of doing the nails, but it's trial and error for me, because what works for me will not work for you. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from it. And if you have young nails or you've used some of their products, please leave a comment down below and let me know how you like the products. I will definitely come back and let you know how I like the product. I like to try to use a product for a while before I try to, tell somebody about it. I just want to show you the product. So I will not be doing a review or anything about the product until I've used it for a while and let you know exactly how it works for me. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.